Hey, it's Jay. Have my great friend Alyssa. Come on. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. And we are baking. We just woke up. We're baking deviled food cake. Chocolate. We've already added the water. Now she's adding the vegetable oil. Yay! And now the egg. Nah. Nah. No, I didn't. Wait, did I? No. Got it. I did. Maybe. Egg. Oh, that one's a good one. And I open. Egg. It's at the bottom. And the last egg. I want to whisk a nuke in it. You're not even standing in the picture.
No.
You guys want to see my new dance? And make a sound with it too. Or sorry for me. Let's hold the Whiskanugan.
No. Oh. Move yourself.
Okay. Do you? Yeah. It's so tiny. It's so itty bitty. Do you have a pan we can pour this in? This?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, did you spray it? Lisa? You didn't spray it. Give it here.
No, I got this. Okay, yeah, no, I need it.
Got it.
Just plug it in.
You. Hold that.
No, right there.
Oh.
It was on 5.
Pretty bad for just waking up in the early morning. We're making cake in the morning. I like cake. Is to let the machine guide you. Be the machine. Be the machine.
You quoting from SpongeBob?
Okay, it's done. Okay. Ooh, that's so chocolatey.
Here, put this on a napkin. napkins so that you can lick those.
Yay. There's no more napkins.
Okay, then just lick them like now.
Okay. Well done. You want to lick them?
Nope.
Do you want to lick? It's chocolatey. How'd you know I wanted to lick them?
Because you're Jay.
I was gonna lick that too.
Oh, well, you can have the rest of the chocolate in it. Okay. Where's the box? Preheat 350. For how many? Oh.
Done. Yeah, this one.
Okay, it's going to be 30 to 35 minutes. Let's do 32. Okay. It's like in the middle. Oh, no, not really.
33 is. But let's go 32 because that's my number.
Okay, yeah, you're taking too long. Now I'm gonna eat
No.
this.
I'm done.
Okay, get a spoon. Oh my god.
It's on the floor.
I know that.
Okay.
This is really good.
We're gonna walk to the pool today if it doesn't rain. Maybe to Dairy Queen. Melissa, do you have money?
Yep.
Good. I'm like, oh, you still owe me $1.
Oh yeah.
Actually, you, Brie, and both. You.
No, Brie owes you more money than I do.
It was like $7.
And then I gave you like 5.
You gave me 4.
Did?
Mhm.
Oh. Nuh-uh, because I had quarters too.
I didn't take the quarters.
Yeah, I gave them to you, remember?
No, you didn't.
Did too.
Ah.
You got bubble gum.
Oh, yeah. I think, you know what I remember?
What?
The guy walking up to Bria at Mounds of Fun.
Oh my god, that was so funny.
He was like, hey, can I talk to you?
Her reaction was the most
Hey.
the funniest.
What?
No, she like seriously like so mad. I don't know why she was so mad.
I don't know. And then there's us standing there like,
Well,
we're here too.
He was like 80, so it's probably
Yeah.
why she was like, you know.
Really? I did older guys? There was a guy there that was really cute. I kind of wanted to stalk him.
I know, we saw that. And you're like, let's go stalk him. I'm like, I'm not gonna go stalk some random dude.
I just don't want that hug.
I'll give it to you.
I don't want your hug. I want his hug.
Well, obviously, I'm not gonna get it anytime soon.
Unless if I see him soon. Duh.
Well, Kansas is really big, so I doubt you will. Put that out there.
See, you need to remember that because that Lily chick won't go to your school then,
Good. I don't want her to go to my school.
based on what I've told you.
Yes.
See, I don't like Lily.
Aren't there a bunch of Lilies in your school?
2. No, there's more.
So then how do they know which Lily you're talking about?
Everyone doesn't like her.
Oh.
No one likes her. That's what I meant.
Okay, you're done.
No! Ooh, chocolate.
I have those Oreos over there. I don't like them though. Oops, I was in the camera when I did that.
What did you do?
I was just looking at my stomach. Okay, well we seriously have to wait till this is finished preheating, so it's gonna be a while.
Oreo, we're gonna go. Alright? Bye.